see how a blood fountain is coming down in Antarctica. People are surprised to see such a fountain. But why is this happening? What is the real secret behind the sudden flow of blood-red water in a desert covered in ice? In today's video, you will learn about the mysterious blood fountain in Antarctica. Friends, Antarctica is the land of ice. A stream of blood is coming down from the middle of a glacier covered in a sheet of white ice. Anyone who sees it will be shocked. A stream of bright red blood is coming down from the white part of the glacier. For a long time, this blood fountain in Antarctica has been a mystery. How is a red fountain like blood coming down from the frozen ice, but has a deep wound formed on the chest of the glacier, which can lead the world to destruction? Is this just a whim of nature, or is there any science behind it? Friends, a stream of bright red blood is coming down from the chest of the glacier. For a long time, this bloody fountain in Antarctica has been a mystery. This blood fountain is located on the Taylor Glacier in Antarctica. It was first noticed by Austrian geologist Griffith Taylor in 1911. The glacier was named Taylor Glacier after him. Initially, it was thought that the water was so red because of the presence of some algae or fungus. Although it is quite difficult to find life in Antarctica due to the extreme weather, the surprising thing is that about 115 species of fungi live there. Some of these species are quite rare. They can adapt to the extremely cold weather. So, it was initially thought that some algae was the reason for the change in the color of the water. But whether that was the only reason or not was not investigated at the time. As a result, this red fountain was a natural phenomenon for a long time. Later, a group of researchers from the University of Alaska started a detailed investigation into this. Research began to find out why this fountain was red, and the results of that study revealed that the intense red color of the water is not due to any fungus, but to extremely concentrated salt water and oxidized iron. Their reaction turns the water red like blood. Even when the temperature drops below 0 degrees, the water remains liquid, and this fountain of blood flows down the glacier continuously. However, this red water was not created in a day. This bloody fountain in Antarctica has been born as a result of the reaction of salt water and iron for about 1.5 million years. Whatever the reason, the sight of a bright red stream coming down from the middle of a glacier covered in a sheet of white ice is truly amazing. Scientists are still amazed by how blood-like water comes out from the chest of the frozen ice. Friends, we are truly amazed when we think about how amazing the Creator's work can be. Share the video as much as possible and let everyone know. Stay well, take care.